All right, so let's practice setting up some conversion factors, all right? Conversion factors are awesome, awesome tools that we're going to use for the rest of the class, and you'll use it in any, or almost any science, actually probably any science class that you definitely do from now on, and even in some math classes as well, so pretty cool. A conversion factor really is just taking an equality, like an equality, so something that says this is equal to that, but they have different units, okay? You might say, like, if x is the same thing as y, we can say that, x's and y's, they don't mingle, but they have the same value in this case. So here, kilometers and meters, I said that really weird, kilometers and meters are different units, so we could say x's and y's, but we do know that for every 1 meter, that is 1,000, or for 1 kilometer, excuse me, that is 1,000 meters. So this distance and that distance are identical, but they're in different units. Okay. Well, we can express this equality so many different ways. And this, using the equal sign and left and right side, that actually is not as helpful for chemists and for dimensional analysis use as what we're about to do. Okay. So I'm going to write this as many ways as I can express it as possible, but I'm first going to show it in terms of x's and y's because a lot of people deal with this a little better. Okay. If x is equal to y, we know that that means that y is equal to x. Okay, that's the same thing. So here, if 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, well then, it should be equally as true to say that 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Those should be identical statements. Okay? Well, what if these are the two same things, right? So y is x, x is y. What if I did this top one here, x, and divided it by y? If these two terms are the same or have the same value or magnitude, then that would be equal to 1. So if x is 2 and y is 2, then 2 over 2 or x over y is 1. Okay. So any two terms that are equivalent, if you were to set them up in this kind of fraction type ratio, you'll always get 1. And this is where the big usefulness of conversion factors in chemistry and using dimensional analysis, this is where it rocks. Okay. But anyways, yeah, so if x over y is 1, then y over x should also be 1. So here, if I take 1 kilometer and divide it by 1,000 meters, I'll realize that those are the same distances. I should just get 1. Okay. And vice versa, the reciprocal in that case would be true as well. And we know that the reciprocal of 1 is also 1. Okay, but we're going to write this another way. Okay, so if 1 kilometer divided by 1,000 meters is equal to 1, then the opposite is true to say that 1,000 meters divided by 1 kilometer is also equal to 1. And these are going to be so helpful for us, or at least the way that we're setting this up in this ratio format. So keep tuned in and we will see how to apply this.